Do you speak English?
No.
And how you understand this question? Hello, so today it's the first time ever I will do it. Trying the cold calling. A lot of people that are convincing me in YouTube after watching a lot of videos that cold calling is actually working. I see like people booking multiple clients, multiple business owners. So this is the first time I'm gonna try this. What I'm gonna sell is what I'm doing is I'm an agency owner. I do branding, like a branding for multiple businesses. I'm a designer actually, so web design and also branding design, logo designs, identity designs. So I'm gonna try today use my small stock of communication to at least land one. I know I'm not gonna land any clients until like building the skill of talking. Like selling is a hard skill to learn. About the clients, I'm already like landing clients, but using my portfolio. Like I use my portfolio so I can land clients, and also using referrals. But using just my portfolio and also what I have earned, the badges that I have earned, and also using the Instagram Reels. Just Behance, as I have like 18 badges showing that I'm a perfect designer or I'm a high level designer. So, and also the case studies here, as you see, this case study, this case study, this case study. So the case studies, they are the thing I'm using to land clients. To people who will asking me about what I'm using to call and how I build my website, I use Hostinger, and also to call I use high level. But the thing to get a discount is use two links, Hostinger and also high level. Hostinger, I think $40 to build a perfect website for 1 year. For the link I'm using right down below of high level, it's I think 14 days free trial if you try the link down below. And for to offer like a web design and branding, because I see the website and I thought that there is a lot to improve.
What's this for?
What?
Can you say that one more time?
I said that I seen your website and I thought there is a lot to improve, and I'm calling. It's a cold call actually.
Not interested, thank you.
Are you high or something? Like, the guy is so high. Bro, like the website is so messed up and y'all doesn't have anyone to answer the phone. God bless America.
Thank you for calling Solar Solutions. How may I direct your call?
Hello?
Hi, can you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you. So am I talking to the owner or like the reception of Sun Solar Solutions?
Yes, the reception.
Okay, so I'm asking like I've seen the website and I thought of the opportunity and see that a lot to improve in the website. So I took the opportunity to call you and see if y'all are open or interested in a web design or service.
Let me get you in touch with my manager. Just one moment, please.
Okay. The manager, I think the manager is eating something or something. Hello?
Sí, muy buenas tardes, ¿cómo está?
Do you speak English?
No.
And how you understand this question?
Okay, excuse me. One moment.
Okay. So, like, are you the owner or manager in Nevada Home Energy? ¿Cómo está? Bien. Buenas tardes, buenos días.
Hi, this is Hannah. How can I help you?
Hello, Hannah. How are you doing?
Very good. And you? How can I help
Thank
you
you so
today?
much. Am I talking like, am I talking to the owner or secretary? No.
No, my manager's not available. Is there any service we can assist you with?
Okay, thank you so much. No, I was just asking for to revamp your website and also the branding. That's why it's a cold call. Fuck. Hello.
There's only one phone that
Hello, am I talking to the owner of One Sun?
Yes, how can I help you?
Yeah, okay, so I just like I found your website on the internet and this is just a cold call. I want to offer the service of revamping your website as we did with the previous clients, and that's it. Is that something interesting?
We actually just made a lot of updates. I appreciate you reaching out, but we're not looking at any marketing services at this time. Thank you, though.
Okay, thank you.
Well, thanks, Solar. How may I help you?
Hello, am I talking to the owner of Albay Solar?
No, he's out of town. Maybe I can help you or take a message?
Okay. So, like I just calling regarding the website and the branding. So, like, is that something that y'all are interested in?
No, at the moment we're okay. We just did an update. It's okay. Thank you.
Okay. So I just see that there is a lot to improve. That's why I'm calling.
That's okay. Thank you. We already have someone.
Thank you so much. Bye. Bye. Sacred. Like, who's that one that designing that website and also that logo? What the? What?
Tony Solar.
Hello? Am I talking to the owner of Form Solar?
No, you're not.
Okay, so like, who are you? Are you the administration or CEO or something?
No, he's not here.
No, but what? Like, are you the reception?
I'm sorry, what do you need?
Who am I talking to?
How can I help you, sir?
Oh my goodness, bro. Hello.
Hello, thank you for calling Valley Solar.
Okay, so am I talking to the Valley Solar owner?
No, you're not.
Are you the reception?
I mean, I work here, but the owner is not here.
Yeah, but are you the one? Are you the one that taking calls? So like briefly, I will tell you that I'm an agency owner. I do web design and branding design. I seen your website and I thought of the opportunity to approach you to redesign and refresh the recent website.
All right, well, you'd have to talk to him, not me. I'm in the warehouse, so.
So how I can find the